Now, how easy is it to concern or confuse an extraordinary phenomenon with something so basic as cleaning up? I mean, the water cycle does clean up. It recycles. Now, I remember being a kid in kindergarten, and it was nap time, and I was peeking out the window, and Mrs. Reese, my teacher, always lets us go out for playtime, but we have to have nap time. It starts to rain, and of course, all the kids start to get bummed out. But being a typical California day, all of a sudden the sun comes out, and I was so excited. But then I noticed these big puddles on the blacktop out there, and I started saying, God, that's going to be fun to go out there. Well, when a half hour comes by later, I go out to the blacktop, and all the puddles are gone. And I'm thinking, darn Mrs. Reese, and this is when it started getting bad, when I started thinking about teachers plotting against students. Mrs. Reese called Mr. Whitfield, which was our janitor, and had him mop up those puddles. You know, in actuality, for fact, it was a form of evaporation taking place. And I guess I first was introduced to science at a very, very early age, noticing that just an ordinary thing like rain puddles disappearing. Well, now you have the explanation of how matter easily transfers from one physical state to another, but it still stays the same.